I'm a modern adventurer of the Plymouth colony, and I'm excited to share how Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central has gobbled up our inefficiencies. Organizing the first Thanksgiving was a breeze thanks to Microsoft Dynamics 365 marketing. Managing guest lists, invitations, and event details made our celebration a piece of pumpkin pie. Gone are the days of paper ledgers and abacuses. Business Central helps us handle our colony's finances, making our bookkeeping system as smooth as mashed potatoes. With a Dynamics 365 solution, our colony has become prosperous. We've achieved greater success in both our business and colonial operations. Don't leave your organization stuck in the past. Implement Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central with TMG and be truly thankful for many benefits of ERP and CRM solutions.